Which ProCurve switch is considered convergence ready? A. 4200VL. Option B. 2900C. 3500L. Option D. 2810. The correct answer is option C. Which customer need is met by Gigabit to the Edge? Option A. Stable, dependable roaming. Option B. Precise control of the network. Option C. High demand from network traffic. Option D. A cost-effective single infrastructure. The correct answer is option C. You have a customer who needs to run computer-based training sessions using streaming technology. Which ProCurve networking solution is recommended for large video and graphical file transfers? Option A. Gigabit technology. Option B. Wireless technology. Option C. Fiber optic technology. Option D. Adaptive edge technology. The correct answer is option D. A customer is implementing a wireless solution across a large campus setting. Which ProCurve product should you include as part of this solution? Option A. Switch 408. Option B. Switch 1408G. Option C. Access point NAC. Option D. XL or ZL wireless edge module. The correct answer is option D.